Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9 Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the cursor size on your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac. The steps are the same for all these devices. Right now you can see the size of my cursor. If you'd like to change it or increase the cursor size, follow these steps. First, go to System Settings. You can find System Settings in your dock, or you can click the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. Next, once the System Settings window opens, by default, you'll be on the Appearance page. To change the cursor size, you need to navigate to the Accessibility option. Then, under Accessibility, go to the Display option. Scroll down, and you'll find the Pointer Control section. If I open the Pointer Control section, you'll see various options related to your pointer or cursor. However, you won't find the option to change the size here. To adjust the size, simply go to the Display option again, scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option for pointer size. Next, you can adjust the cursor size. If you decrease it, you'll see the pointer size reduce. If you increase it, the pointer size will get bigger. If you go to the maximum size, this will be the largest cursor size you can select, and this is the minimum size. You can select any cursor size that fits your needs. That's it. Now you know how to easily change your cursor size on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.